Welcome to Dwayne the Brain Fitness. Today we're making a high protein deep fried Oreo. Wink wink, deep fried Oreo. It's 93 grams of protein for 6, but before we begin, let's talk about a high protein diet. I've been on this for the last 4 months and I lost 17 pounds. It's been highly effective. I've lost some fat while at the same time gaining some muscle while tracking this in the Withings app. Now to start, this is the ingredients list. Most of the proteins are going to come from the King Arthur flour. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to combine all the ingredients except for flour, mix that up. And then we're going to add everything else. This part of the ingredients list. Now for the Oreos, I'm going to use double stuffed Oreos. They're so good, I can't help but eat them while I'm baking. So there's two ways to do this. You can use a muffin pan and you can put a small amount of batter at the bottom, press a Oreo into the middle, and then put some batter on top and squeeze it in, make it compact. Or you can use a mold that I got from Amazon, put some batter on the bottom, then you press Oreo down into the middle, and you put some more batter on top. You're just going to pat down evenly. And we got the shape without having to fry. Let's see how it looks on the inside. It's good, but we gotta make it more decadent. You don't have to make it more decadent, but let's make it more decadent. So we're gonna melt some chocolate chips. Fried Oreos into the melted chocolate. Spin it around. Make sure you get a nice even coat.
There we go. That's a good trip.
I'm only going to do 2 of these. You can do all 6 if you want, but we're going to cut up some Oreos and then sprinkle it. Now obviously this adds more calories to this dessert, but you're getting the protein with it, so there's a trade-off. But it does taste so much better. That's good. I love it. Deep fried, baked Oreo. That's protein. All thanks to King Arthur keto wheat flour. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try a recipe like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends.